Hi friends, welcome to Easy Facts. Today's video includes some questions related to Independence Day and their answers. Which English newspaper was published under the leadership of Gandhiji? Harijan. The place where the Salt Satyagraha took place in Kerala. Payyanur. In which year did the indigo farmers' strike in Champaran take place? 1917. Which was the first national agitation of the Indian National Congress led by Gandhiji? Non-cooperation movement. Which incident prompted Gandhiji to stop the non-cooperation movement? Chauri Chaura incident. Which was the last mass agitation of the Indian National Congress led by Gandhiji? Quit India movement. Who formed the Swaraj Party in 1923? C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru. Who formed the Congress Socialist Party? Jayaprakash Narayan. In which year was Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev hanged by the British government? 1931, March 23. Who first hoisted the tricolour flag of India on an international stage? Madam Bikaji Kama. Who was the British Viceroy who passed the Vernacular Press Act? Lord Lytton. Which commission investigated the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Hunter Commission. Who is known as Deshabandhu? C.R. Das. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaiah. Who is the Indian freedom fighter known as Punjab Kesari? Lala Lajpat Rai. Who is known as the Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who is known as Kerala Gandhi? K. Kelappan. Who was the British Army chief who ordered the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? General Dyer. Who represented the Indian National Congress at the Second Roundtable Conference in 1931? Gandhiji. Who was the British Prime Minister who convened the Roundtable Conference? Ramsay MacDonald. In which year did the British Parliament pass the Indian Independence Act? 1947, July. Who formed the Forward Bloc? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was in charge of the Jhansi Rani Regiment, the women's wing of the Indian National Army? Captain Lakshmi. Who founded the Indian Republican Army? Surya Sen.